The Sanctuary at Liberty Hills is Keystone Custom Homes' brand new community in Finksburg, Maryland, where we're offering luxury estate-style homes on very unique home sites. The total size is over 81 acres, and each one of the 17 home sites is between 3 and 7 acres. That's extremely unique and really hard to find in today's market. I don't think you'll find another community like that. The location itself is extremely convenient. Being in Finksburg, it's very close to all the major highways, but when you go to this site, it is extremely private. It's really an amazing community. Keystone Custom Homes really takes great pride in offering the latest designs to our customers, along with the flexibility to really personalize the house to make it exactly what you're looking for. We offer 7 different floor plans in the Sanctuary at Liberty Hills, and they range from 3,000 square feet on up. Our Hawthorne floor plan is one of our newest offerings at Keystone Custom Homes. When you come into the Hawthorne, it was designed with the intent of putting the most amount of space where you're using it on a daily basis. That's going to be the kitchen and the family room. Upstairs, the owner's suite is just a real retreat where you can go at the end of a long day, and we put a lot of care into that. The Sanctuary at Liberty Hills is really a unique opportunity for someone who's looking for a large 3 to 7 acre estate-style home site, privacy, but still wants to be part of a community in a fabulous location. It's really a community to which there is no comparison.